In order to demonstrate payroll, we created three type of employee. One employee we have salary, like some salary, earnings and some deductions like a basic, HRA, TA, all his earnings, and this is a deduction, and over time we calculate based on certain formula, like it's based on percentage of basic salary. So we can change, we can apply any formula here. This is the formula we currently applied here. So it is based on hour. So if he work 10 hour, it is based on 10 into 1.5 divided by 240, like this. And this is special holiday overtime, that on September we have 15 hours. It also based on different based on another calculation. And this is a deduction. So we put a provision in the pay slip, so whenever he make any violation, we can enter in the timesheet, that one. And this employee we calculate based on hourly rate. So how many hours he work, that only we enter every month. So it will auto calculate the total payable. And the third one is percentage basis employee, like you hire someone and out of total earnings certain percentage you pay to the employee. So we will calculate based on this percentage. So three kind of employee we are going to enter. So first we have to create the employee. Go here, chart of accounts, accounting masters, employees, add new employee. Just type the name and put his information, like his nationality, and his ID expiry, like any passport, residence ID. You can put the expiry date, so it will come in the notification. Before expiry of 1 month, it will come in the notification area. Like you have any planned access, that you can put, then expiry date you can put. So it will come in the notification. You come to know that this is going to expire, you need to renew. Like this you can enter the employee. So we created 3 employees now. Now if you look in the chart of accounts, the accounting entry, accounting ledgers organized in that way. Like here we have expense ledger for Abdullah payable, there is a ledger under salary payable group. So you get a summary of total salary payable under salary payable group, and each ledger having the outstanding, how much we have to pay to that employee. So after running the payroll, it will increase the payable of this current liability. This is under current liability, this one. Like each employee, it auto create this ledgers. Now we can create, here we have option, 2 options more, payroll group. So for that example, we created 3 kind of payroll group. Global is our own employee, hourly rate, maybe hiring employee, percentage rate, percentage type employee. You can create more. And the other thing, pay heads. We already defined some pay heads. Now we will create the pay slip. Create voucher, payroll, and here we choose the employee. We choose Abdullah. If you have project, choose the project and his earnings and deductions. Its monthly rate 7,000, and his earning HRA. So we are entering as per the information here, like this. So this all monthly, and his deduction, this one deduction, that's a loan. So you need to define only one time, then you just edit only every month, you just update the information only, no need to create this again and again. This OT, overtime special overtime. Now here OT, and put the total number of hours here in the September 10:15. No need to put the rate because it auto calculate based on the basic salary, it auto calculate. There is one more here, this is hourly rate, so put hour. And one more deduction we added, that is traffic violation. So first month it is not available, this is empty, so no need to put anything, just put the provision. So next time he make any violation, we can fill that information here. So we just click auto run. How many occurrence, maybe you can put some big number, so it will run every month, end of month we mention, and here we choose a previous date. Choose September, here I mentioned September. Click on submit. Now we will create the other one also, like this one, Khalid, hourly rate. Again we will make another voucher, payroll, choose Khalid, and this is based on the percentage, no, hourly rate, so we'll put hour, mentioned here 20, and the rate is 12. This also we make auto run monthly, and we choose to run it on September. Click on submit. Another one, create voucher. This is the third one, John. Okay, this is based on the percentage, so we choose John. We already put in his profile what percentage we have to pay to him, so it auto calculate. Submit. So it did not run, so far it did not run. And the last one, John, we mentioned in his profile 70% is the payable to that employee, so it is mentioned here. While making the employee, we mentioned here payable percentage of total earning for that employee. If you put something, it will calculate automatically based on the percentage. So this is a scheduled task. It will, once it run, the counter will change. And if you want to edit this, if you want to edit here, click edit. Next month you want to edit this. This month it run only. Next month you want to edit. You don't want to add many things. You want to change something, like maybe overtime hours only it change, or maybe this traffic violation may be he having traffic violation, so you put the amount. Only you fill certain information. This is already calculated based on the basic salary. This is overtime. The overtime rate per hour auto calculated, this one. And this percentage, this one, and this one based on the hour. So if every month you need to just change certain thing, like quantity only change. So right now it's not run, until now it's not run. We put the previous date, that's why it run already now. Now it generated the pay slip. Now we can edit and put this information. October, like October we have small change, 2010. So we'll edit this one. Normal overtime 20 and 10, this other one, and this one 40. So this one 40, and the other one same, like a percentage we added. So we just submit. So we changed already now. If you look, this information changed, 20, the quantity change, and here also change. So next execution, the new information will be applied. Next execution, it already run first time because we put the previous date. That's why it run one time. So the generated pay slip come here like this. This is a deduction. This all his addition of his overtime, and the total appear here, payable. This is the payable total. This is the accounting entry. So what we can do now, this already generated. Now we can post all. So this post, everything is posted in the accounting system. If you go to reports, accounting statement, or you can go directly here, group, salary payable, you will find it. See, each employee payable, which month, it's this segregate payable and deduction, like this. So if you go here, you will find all the payables. Under salary payables, the total will come, and if you click each employee, it will show you how much you have to pay. If you click, you get the full details. I mean, this is the accounting entry. The other things like reports will generate separate, like segregated report, different kind of reports for employee based, that we can generate separate. Now if you look here, this is run twice and this still waiting. So once it generates, it will come here. So if you want to reports, if you go reports, vouchers, you will see all generated voucher here. If you want to print, just click and PDF. You will find the pay slip here. Like this is basic, HRA, TA, car loan which is reduced, and other overtime, 2 overtimes. Now if you look again, moment. Actually, I did not put the percentage. That's why it did not appear as it is scheme, because we have to add his percentage here. While creation, we have to add his percentage. I did not. I forgot to add this thing. If you create employee, there is option to put the percentage. So accordingly, it will calculate 70 total out of total earnings. Certain percent only go to his payables. If you put 70, it will calculate 70%. Right now, I forgot to add that thing, so it did not came. So here it came 4 times. Now what I mean, this is 3 times it run, and now here we put only current date. I think that's why it did not run. If you put the previous date, it will run up to current month. Here start date, by mistake I put the current date. That's why it did not execute. So each month, if you click and just edit, it will run every month. So once it generates, it will come here, the pay slips. You can verify and you can post into the account. And if you wish, you can edit also this entry. If anything mistake, you can edit. Then edit and make the correction, and you can again post. So there may be quantity, maybe some mistake happen. You can correct each payroll voucher. You can amend. So if you post, so everything go to the accounting system. Here it comes like this. Under each employee, you will find his salary calculations. Like this. Previous balance and current. Next.